Metasoft's official YouTube channel, and this is our Knowledge Center series where we share tips, tricks on how to solve complex problem in digital world. In this video, we are going to solve problem about how can you create a playlist for made for kids videos on YouTube. YouTube came up with this change because of Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. Under this act, if YouTube considers a video or channel made for kids, it will restrict many features for that video or channel. You won't be able to use a variety of features if you are not an adult. These changes are imposed to protect children under 13 years. Google has also removed features like comments and donations from the Made for Kids videos. So if you are a teacher or if you want to create a playlist for your kids, you will not be able to playlist easily. So let us see what is an alternative way to make playlist for kids. Here you can see on my screen there is a video for Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Now if you want to create a playlist, then you will go to the save button, but you won't be able to save this to the playlist easily. This is because of the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. Now if you want to save this video, you have to go to the YouTube search and you need to search a video which I already did for Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Now click on the three dots of that video to save to the playlist. And if you don't have playlist already created, then you can simply create a new playlist. You can name the playlist from here and simply click on the create button. Now you can see the playlist has been created here. So this is done. So friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.